Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to download the historical data right here on NinjaTrader. And if you want to do this, we go to connections and disconnect for simulation, but be careful, we are having active orders and open positions, so check that before doing this. But right now we click here on yes, and now we close right here the connection with simulation. Then right here we go to connection again, and then we select right here playback, and then we select right here historical and select right here which one you want to choose. So let's do Bitcoin US dollar, last, then we do day, then we select right here, 2026, and then we select right here a day. So then we do right here, for example, March the 3rd. Then right here we go to the chart and we select right here exactly the same. So Bitcoin to US dollars. So that is standing right here. Then we select a date, then let's do a date to March the 5th, something like that. And then we do download. Then right now he's downloading the data. And if you now click right here on continue, we are having here the chart that we want. So if we select right here Bitcoin to US dollars, then we do right here historical, you can now start right here with the chart with the past. So this is how you can download the historical data to your chart. Hopefully this was exactly the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.